forests that swallowed empires, cities that rose from ashes, a nation that has been divided, united, feared, admired, and forever changed the course of history. This is the story of Germany. Today, Germany stands as Europe's largest economy and a global leader in technology, culture, and diplomacy. But its journey here spans over 2,000 years, a journey of tribes, emperors, revolutions, and rebirth. Long before the name Germany existed, this land was a wild expanse of dense forests, rivers, and scattered tribal settlements. The people here, the Germanic tribes, lived free from the rule of Rome, fiercely protective of their independence. These warriors were skilled in ambush and close combat, fighting not for empire, but for their clans. To the Romans, they were both a mystery and a threat. The Roman Empire marked its northern frontier along the Rhine and Danube rivers. Beyond lay Germania, unconquered, untamed, and unpredictable. In 9 AD, the tribes united under Arminius ambushed 3 Roman legions in the Teutoburg Forest. The defeat was so crushing that Rome abandoned its dream of fully conquering Germania. Centuries passed. The tribes evolved into kingdoms, villages grew around churches, and the seeds of a new European power began to take root. In the year 800, Charlemagne was crowned Emperor of the Romans, uniting vast territories under his rule. His reign laid the foundation for what would become the Holy Roman Empire. For centuries, the Holy Roman Empire was less a single nation and more a patchwork of states, each with its own ruler, laws, and ambitions. In 1517, a monk named Martin Luther nailed his 95 Theses to a church door in Wittenberg, challenging the Catholic Church and sparking the Protestant Reformation, a movement that would reshape Europe. Religious tensions exploded into the 30 Years' War, leaving much of Germany devastated. Entire towns vanished and millions perished. From the ashes, new powers emerged. In the north, the Kingdom of Prussia rose under Frederick the Great, building a disciplined army and a reputation for military excellence. By the 19th century, Germany's cities roared with the sounds of industry, factories, railways, and innovation transforming the economy. In 1870, Prussia's victory over France ignited a wave of nationalism across the German states. In 1871, in the Hall of Mirrors at Versailles, the German Empire was proclaimed. For the first time, most of the German people were united under one flag. But unity brought rivalry with other powers. In 1914, alliances and tensions erupted into World War I. German soldiers fought in the mud and blood of the trenches. Defeat in 1918 brought harsh terms. The Treaty of Versailles stripped Germany of territory, military strength, and pride. The Weimar Republic was born, a fragile democracy facing economic collapse, political extremism, and social unrest. In the chaos, Adolf Hitler and the Nazi Party rose to power, promising revival but delivering dictatorship and terror. World War II engulfed the globe. German forces swept across Europe, but the tide turned, and the war brought devastation home. The Holocaust remains one of humanity's darkest crimes, the systematic murder of 6 million Jews and millions of others. By 1945, Germany lay in ruins. Cities were rubble, and the nation was occupied by Allied forces. The Cold War split Germany into East and West. Berlin itself was divided by a wall of concrete and ideology. In the West, democracy and economic growth flourished, turning West Germany into a symbol of post-war recovery. In the East, life was shaped by Soviet influence, a socialist state with strict control over its people. By the late 1980s, protests grew louder. The people demanded freedom, and the world watched. On November 9, 1989, the Berlin Wall fell. In 1990, Germany was officially reunified, a moment of celebration and hope. Today, Germany is a leader in renewable energy, engineering, and culture, a nation that embraces its past while shaping the future. From tribal warriors to a united republic, Germany's history is a testament to resilience, reinvention, and the enduring spirit of its people.